Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best strut spring compressors on Amazon. If you're fixing your vehicle's suspension, one essential tool is a strut spring compressor. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Orion Motor Tech Coil Spring Compressor Tool. This heavy-duty 11 4/5 inch strut compressor tool features a 13/6 inch socket and a half-inch drive. It has built-in detent pins that lock the coil spring in place for safety. The Acme threaded rod provides smooth compression, whether the springs are on or off the vehicle, or whether you're doing the job by hand or with a power tool. Orion Motor Tech also includes a 2-year warranty. This tool easily removes strut springs and is designed for both professional and garage mechanics. Its forged hooks and center screw are strong, long-lasting, and built to withstand extreme pressure. This heavy-duty compressor does not slip or slide and works as advertised. It also does not strip or shear if you use an impact wrench. However, it can take a while to get used to the tool to determine the best way to compress the spring. Another problem is the safety clips may not fit around the springs on some vehicles. It might be too thick to fit between the coils and the shock strut. Number 2. M-Tools MacPherson Strut Spring Compressor. The M-Tools MacPherson Strut Spring Compressor Kit is our pick for the best overall strut spring compressor. This is an externally mounted kit that locks onto the coils of a spring and compresses it for easy removal. We like that this tool's construction makes spring compression a safer job. The hooks are forged steel, so they won't break or wear out easily after a few uses. Also, the threaded rods are strong and well machined, so as long as you keep them clean and well lubricated, this kit should last for a while. There are a few things to look out for when using your M-Tools MacPherson Strut Spring Compressor. This is a light-duty kit, so it's only good for working on cars and light trucks. The detent pins may actually do too good of a job. Several users have stated they were unable to loosen and remove them after use. Number 3. Shankly Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The Shankly Coil Spring Compressor is made of drop-forged enamel and has double-ended jaws and attachable security hooks for safety and control. It's designed to compress struts and other coil springs on a variety of passenger and light commercial vehicles. It has an operating capacity of 300 mm and an overall length of 300 mm. The tool comes with a 90-day guarantee. This tool is heavy, sturdy, and well made. The bottom double hook is deep, stays in place, and keeps the setup from twisting off. You can put the hooks around the top to keep it from sliding. As long as you're careful, evenly distribute the load, and grease it before use, this tool does the job. Overall, it's a good option at a low price. However, the rods bend under pressure before straightening once they're no longer under tension. Even though they flex under pressure, that's not uncommon, and they return to normal after removal. Number 4. Emerben Spring Compressor. The Emerben Spring Compressor offers a convenient and efficient solution for automotive enthusiasts and professionals dealing with MacPherson suspension systems. Designed to safely compress and decompress coil springs, this versatile tool ensures the smooth and hassle-free installation and removal of springs. The Emerben Spring Compressor is its interchangeable design, allowing users to adapt it to different vehicle models and spring sizes. The package includes a set of high-quality and durable compressors of varying lengths, enabling compatibility with a wide range of coil springs. Whether you're working on compact cars, sedans, or SUVs, this compressor is designed to cater to your needs. This spring compressor is built to withstand the rigors of professional use. Constructed from high-quality materials, it boasts robust durability and longevity. The compressors are made from solid steel, ensuring strength and resistance to deformation. Number 5. 8MILELAKE 14-inch Coil Spring Compressor. This strut spring compressor from 8MILELAKE has drop-forged jaws that have a minimum jaw distance of 4 inches and a maximum opening of 14 inches. The jaws and lead screws are heat-treated for optimal performance, and the zinc-plated tool fits most MacPherson struts. This compressor is well built and strong and can compress most springs without any issues. It is big enough to work on truck springs but can also be used on compact cars. Overall, it's a good value for what it does. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.